we create two functions here called SumUp and SumUp while. We use while loop here. We use for loop here. For this one, there are three integers inside of the parentheses. Inside of the loop, inside of the function, we create an integer called sum and it's equal to 0. Then we create a for loop and we create an integer called I. I is num1 equal to num1. And condition is if I is smaller or equal to num2, for loop stops. And every time we increase I by num3. So if num3 is 2, we add 2 to E every loop. So inside of the for loop, we add I to sum, and we assign that value to sum again. And we repeat this for a while until I is equal or smaller to num2. Then we return some value. For the while loop, we create an integer called sum and it's 0. We create another integer I and we assign num1's value to I. Then we create a while loop. And the condition is same as you can see here. If I is smaller or equal to num2, inside of the while loop, we add I to sum and we assign the value to sum. And every time we increase I's value by num3, as I explained in here. And we return sum at the end. These are two functions. We can use this in our code. For the code, we firstly import scanner class. Then we create scanner object. Then we ask the user to input the first number. Then we assign the value to integer A. Then second number and third number, we assign the values to B and C. After that, we print out SumUp ABC, SumUp while ABC. These are just for using the functions. And by ABC, we assign A to num1, assign B to num2, assign C to num3. So here, num1 is A, num2 is B, num3 is C. And we can use ABC inside of the functions this way. And at the end, we close the input. We can run the code. Input the first number, 2, second number, 5, third number, 6. Sorry, my bad. For example, first number is 1, I is 1, second number 10, until 10 we will go. Third number is the adding, we add third number to I, so we can do this small number, so 25. We find the sum of 1, 3, 5, and it goes on like that because 2 is the added number here to I every time. So yeah, 25 is the result. We can do another example like this by 3, so 77.